Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm making a no-bake cranberry apple raisin pie. This is an easy dessert to make for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. I'm going to start with my crust, and I'm going to break up some graham crackers. Just whatever you think you might need for your size of pie plate. And I'm going to crush them, and you could do this in your food processor. I'm just going to use a kitchen cup, and I'm going to crush them like that. And I'm going to use some coconut oil. If you're not vegan, you could use butter or margarine. The exact amount is not important. And I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of confectioner's sugar or icing sugar. And I'm going to mix all that together. And I'm going to reserve some for my topping. And then I'll press the remainder into my pie plate. Like that, and I'm going to refrigerate this while I make my filling. If you like, you could put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, but it's not necessary. And I'm going to prepare my apples. I have 3 apples. If you would like to cheat, you can use a can of apple pie filling. So I'm going to peel my apples. Quarter them. Like that. And then I'm going to add them to a skillet. And I'm going to add a handful or so of raisins, about a half a cup of water, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to mix that up, and I'm going to cook it down until the apples are soft. Cook these apples down until they're fork tender. Okay, the apples are now fork tender. That only took about 4 minutes. And if you're not sure if your apples are sweet enough, you could taste this. If you would need to add sugar, you can. But the raisins are going to add sweetness, and so is the cinnamon. So these are ready now, and I'm going to take them off the burner. And I have a can of whole berry cranberry sauce, and I'm going to open that and add it to the apples. And I'm going to pour my cranberry sauce in and mix that in. And now I have my pie crust. And I'm going to add my filling. And I have my reserve topping, and I'm going to add that to my pie. Like that, and I'm going to refrigerate it, and once it's firm I'll come back and cut it and show you how that looks. And there's the finished pie. It's already cooled and set, so I'm going to cut a slice. And here's the pie. I'm going to have a taste. Oh my goodness, that's so good. I hope you'll give this a try. No bake, cranberry, apple, raisin, Thanksgiving pie. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.